Welcome Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners. My name is Tim. On behalf of ALGO Online Retail, I want to do a quick video to talk about a question I get all the time. Tim, how much money does it take to sell on Amazon? How much money do I need to buy products? Are there some tools I have to pay for to get access to Amazon FBA shipment, the warehouses, the support, all of that? How much money will I spend? So I want to dive into that on this video. But first, let me give you a little background. If this is your first ALGO video, if this is the first video you've seen with me, many of you have seen lots of our videos, but if this is the first one, here's the background. 22 years ago, my wife and I started our first website. My wife had a decoration business. She wanted a website for her decoration business, and so we started our first website. Now, 22 years, that's a long time. I'm now exclusive to being involved with Amazon. I'm ALGO's lead trainer, and here I am today doing this video. So let me dive into it and talk about the money. What am I going to spend money on? Now, there's a few different categories, and I'm going to dive into this in a little bit more detail, but basically, you got to have money to buy products. You're going to have a monthly fee to Amazon to have your Amazon seller account. You're most likely going to have a monthly fee to one or maybe two tools that you need to do the research to analyze what products to sell. But here's the big one. You're going to make mistakes, and that is going to cost you money that you're not going to get back. There's not going to be any return on it. So we're going to talk about all of those things. But here's what I want to do first. There are different ways to sell on Amazon, and these different ways require different amounts of money. For instance, you can sell a popular name brand product. There's millions of them out there. I'm talking like Keurig coffee makers, Black & Decker tools, Mattel, millions of brands that are popular. They're already on Amazon. They already have sales volume. They already have a listing, meaning the pictures, descriptions, it's all there, right? And so you can sell those popular name brands just by buying some of the inventory and getting it on Amazon. Now, obviously there's a lot more detail to that, but that's the short version of how that works. And that requires an amount of money. Now, there's another way to sell on Amazon that requires a lot more money and a lot more time. That's doing your own brand. So you can do your own brand. So instead of selling a toy from Mattel, you slap your own name on a toy. Instead of selling a Keurig coffee maker, you slap your own name on a coffee maker. So you get a supplier, most likely out of Asia somewhere, you slap your name on it, they ship it here, you put it on Amazon. That requires a lot more time to get your own manufacturer, your own product, and slap your name on it. A lot more time and a lot more money involved, a lot more risk, because you got to do the marketing as well, right? So my suggestion to you, here at ALGO, we specialize in selling popular name brand products. That's the right way to sell on Amazon, especially if you're brand new. And so I want to dive into how to sell popular name brand products, but here's what I want to do. I'm going to get back to how much money it costs, but if you want to learn more about how to sell popular name brand products, if you want to attend a free live training, there's a link right down there. Click on that link. Get registered for a free live 90-minute webinar that I'm going to be doing sometime over the next couple weeks. Okay, so let me dive into the money. If you're going to sell popular name brand products, here's how much money you're going to be spending. You need a budget to buy products. Now, that can be whatever you have. You got $100, $200, $500, $1,000, $2,000, or a whole bunch more, whatever. Doesn't really matter what your budget is. You just got to know what your budget is, right? And so there's your product purchase budget. Now, what else are you going to spend? To have your Amazon account and use FBA and get to not ever touch a product and not have to be the customer support, that's going to cost you $40 a month to pay for your Amazon Seller Central account. All right, so there it is, $40 a month. Now, there are most likely one, if not two tools that you're going to pay to get access to do the research, to find out what's the sales volume, what's the buy box competition, who else is selling this product, what's the history of this product. And those will run you, I'm going to say, about $20 a month to get access to those tools. Many of our students here at ALGO pay to get access to one tool that costs about $18 a month. All right, there's that cost. So you need money to buy products. You need money to have your Amazon seller account, monthly fee, $40. to have at least one tool, about $20 a month. Then here's the biggest chunk of money: mistakes. You buy a product, you spend $200, $500, $700 on it, and you messed up. You should have never bought that product. Why? Because you did the research wrong. You thought you were going to be able to sell it. You thought you understood what you were looking at, and you didn't. You made a mistake. This happens to thousands and thousands of Amazon sellers every month. They don't learn how to do this right. They buy the wrong product. They buy the wrong amount of product, the wrong number of units, right? And then it doesn't sell. It doesn't sell. Then Amazon starts charging them storage fees, and then you get into a whole big mess of having to have the product shipped back to you. You get the idea. So the biggest chunk of money that you're going to spend when you sell on Amazon is mistakes. Now, this is true also if you're doing your own brand. If you're doing your own brand, that's still the biggest chunk of money. You mess it up. You do the mistakes wrong. You market it and you do the marketing wrong, right? And you waste that money. Nothing sells. Or you pick the wrong product to do your own brand. So you get the idea. So I don't want you to make mistakes. So that's where you're going to spend money. The biggest thing you want to be able to do is avoid those mistakes. And so here's what I want to do. I want to help you avoid those mistakes. Again, I'm going to be live, 90-minute free training. Let me tell you a little bit more about it. The first 60 minutes, I'm going to cover the training, exactly how to sell on Amazon the right way, step by step. Then you're going to have questions. So I'm going to do a question and answer section. I will be live. That's the only way to answer your questions, right? So 60 minutes on the training, 30 minutes usually on the question and answer section, but I'll stay as long as you need to answer whatever questions you have. So 90 minutes, it's free, it's live. It'll be coming up over the next couple weeks. There's a link right down there. Click on that link, get registered, get your seat. It'll be online. So I'm excited to see you, excited to show you how to do this, excited to help you build and grow and scale your Amazon business. Click on the link, get registered, and I'll see you soon.